There are many different tactics for success, but the strategy that works best for you may depend on what success means to you. If you think of success as doing well at work or earning a high salary, your professional goals and accomplishments will take priority. While professional success can be one piece of the puzzle, it leaves out many other important areas of life. Family, romantic relationships, academics, and athletics are just a few areas where people may strive for success. Your definition of success may vary, but many might define it as being fulfilled, happy, safe, healthy, and loved. So what can you do to boost your chances of achieving these things? What are some of the habits of successful people? There is no single right way to be successful. What works for you might not work for someone else. So in this video, we are going to talk about 5 best tips to become successful in life. So let's get started. 5. Focus on intrinsic motivations. What is it that motivates you the most? Do you find that the promise of external rewards keeps you reaching for your goals, or is it the more personal, intrinsic motivators that keep you feeling inspired? While extrinsic rewards such as money, awards, and praise can be helpful, many people find that they are most motivated when they are doing things for personal satisfaction. If you are doing things because you enjoy them, because you find them meaningful, or because you enjoy seeing the effects of your work, then you are driven by intrinsic motivations. Research has shown that while incentives can be a better predictor of some types of performance, intrinsic motivators tend to be better at predicting performance quality. While it is often the external motivators that get people started, it is the internal motivators that kick in and keep people going in order to maintain those new behaviors. 4. Strengthen your willpower. In a long-running longitudinal study, psychologists followed a group of children who were identified by their teachers as highly intelligent. As they compared how these subjects fared throughout childhood and into adulthood, researchers found that those who ultimately were the most successful in life shared some key characteristics, including perseverance and willpower. These characteristics tend to be part of an individual's overall personality, but they are also something you can improve. Delayed gratification, learning to persist in the face of challenges, and waiting for the rewards of your hard work can often be the key to success in life. 3. Be passionate and do what you for love. If you don't love it, then why do it? If we build careers or continue in jobs that really aren't our passion, we're selling ourselves short. It's like the guy that is a tech consultant that really wanted to be the lead singer of a band. I've written about love and careers before, and I think that the takeaway here is that if you really do what you want to do, you will be more creative, more motivated, more tuned in, and much more likely to be very financially and personally prosperous. Katharine Hepburn said it best, if you have to support yourself, you had bloody well better find some way that is going to be interesting. 2. Don't be afraid of having big goals. There are countless books and guidance resources that claim the best way to become successful is to set yourself small, achievable goals to tick off as you go. But many of these people are afraid to think big. Thinking big doesn't mean you shouldn't have a plan in smaller steps, but it does mean that you have a dream and a goal that you can work towards. So many people put aside their big dreams to work towards something more realistic or achievable. But successful people don't care how ambitious their dreams might appear to others. All they know is that it's what they really want and that they're not afraid to go for it. 1. Build a growth mindset. Research by psychologist Carol Dweck suggests that there are 2 basic mindsets that influence how people think about themselves and their abilities: the fixed mindset and the growth mindset. People who possess a fixed mindset believe that things such as intelligence are static and unchangeable. Those with a fixed mindset believe that success isn't a result of hard work, it's simply a consequence of innate talents. Because they believe that such talents are something people are either born with or without, they tend to give up more easily in the face of a challenge. They quit when things do not come easily because they believe that they lack the inborn skill needed to excel. Those who have a growth mindset, on the other hand, feel that they can change, grow, and learn through effort. People who believe that they are capable of growth are more likely to achieve success. When things get tough, they look for ways to improve their skills and keep working toward success. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this one, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on any of our videos.